So how do I know which shoring beam is right for me? First thing to do is going to be to check the length. The inside width of your trailer or truck, if it's a cube van, simply measure from the inside wall to the inside wall to get the overall length that's needed from track to track. This particular beam adjusts from 92 to 103 inches, which covers most common semi-trailers. But there are other beam sizes available in different lengths. Most of the beams are adjustable with about an 11-inch level of adjustment. So again, this one's 92 to 103, and there are some others that go from 86 to 97 and so forth. The next thing to look at would be what kind of load rating am I looking for. This particular beam has a 2,200 pound working load limit, which will be on the label of the beam. The next would be what kind of track am I going into. Most shoring beams will fit into E-track, A-track, or X-track. So very versatile. As long as you've got one of those three styles of track, which are the most common tracks in trailers and trucks today, those would be the main considerations. So length, load rating, and whether or not you want steel or aluminum. Steel is going to be a little more rigid with less deflection. The aluminum is going to be lighter and easier to work with.